In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format multiple headings at once in Microsoft Word. If your Microsoft Word document contains many headings and you want them all to have the same font, size, color, spacing, and style, you don't have to format each heading individually. Instead, you can use Word's built-in heading styles to update multiple headings at the same time. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the headings you want to format. Before making changes, make sure your headings are using Word's built-in heading styles. Click on one of the headings you want to format and go to the Home tab. In the Styles section, look for options such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Select the heading style that matches the level of your heading. Apply the appropriate heading style to the headings in your document. For example, main section titles can use Heading 1, while subsections can use Heading 2. Once your headings are using the same style, you can change the formatting for all of them at once. In the Styles section of the Home tab, locate the heading style you want to modify. For example, if your main headings use Heading 1, right-click Heading 1 and select Modify. The Modify Style dialog box will appear. Here, you can change the font, font size, font color, alignment, and other basic formatting options. Choose the settings you want to apply to all headings using that style. You can also adjust additional formatting options by using the Format button at the bottom of the Modify Style window. Depending on the settings you need, you can change paragraph spacing and other formatting options. Once you've finished adjusting the style, click OK. Microsoft Word will automatically update every heading in your document that uses that same style. This is much faster than selecting and formatting each heading individually. It also helps keep your document consistent, because all headings using the same style will follow the same formatting. If your document contains different levels of headings, you can repeat the process for Heading 2, Heading 3, or any other heading styles you're using. For example, you can give Heading 1 a larger font size for main sections, while Heading 2 can use a smaller size for subsections. After making your changes, scroll through the document and review the headings to make sure the formatting looks consistent. Another advantage of using heading styles is that Word can use them to organize your document and create features such as a table of contents. So, instead of manually formatting every heading, using styles gives you a faster and more consistent way to manage the appearance of your entire document. And that's how you can format multiple headings at once in Microsoft Word. Simply use the appropriate heading style, modify that style, and Word will apply the changes throughout your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,